Hello, my name's Amanda, and this is day one of the paraprofessional writing section of the test. This is skills and knowledge, and this is technically video 4 of our series for this section. We're going to talk about the spelling rules here. So spelling rules, let me find it in my notes. The capitalization rules, sorry, capitalization. So what's important is this indicates a certain level of education, understanding, and language awareness. Rule number 1 is you always capitalize the pronoun I. When you're talking about yourself and you say I, it should be capitalized every single time. Example, I am in class. Our second rule, the beginning of a sentence should have a capital letter. That includes a sentence that is in quotation marks, okay? Our next video is going to talk about quotation marks, but when you start a sentence in quotation marks, that first word needs to be capitalized. Example, the doorman held the door open and said, "Have a wonderful day," as we left the building. Notice both the and have start with capital letters. Proper nouns. Our next lesson is going to be about parts of speech, so we're going to learn more about proper nouns. But these are the names of specific people, places, things, or events, and they should always be capitalized. I visited my Uncle Sam in Washington, D.C. last summer. Uncle and Sam, Washington and D.C., our capital here in the United States, are all capital letters. St. Paul is the capital of Minnesota and lies on the Mississippi River. So St. Paul, Minnesota, and Mississippi River all start with capital letters. Acronyms. So these are abbreviations formed by using the first letter of each word in a name, phrase, or title to create a new word. The letters are all capitalized, which helps indicate that it is an acronym. So if you'll notice, UCLA is an acronym for the University of California in Los Angeles, but I always thought it was interesting that their icon over here actually has lowercase letters. So the Bruins, the UCLA, the CLA, they're lowercase, but that's not correct. When you see it in writing, it's all capital letters, UCLA. So you can go find out what artist got that wrong. And then titles. Most words in titles are capitalized except articles a and the, conjunctions, and, but, or, and prepositions on, with, or by. Also, the first and last words are always capitalized. So let's look at some examples here. Where the red fern grows, notice that only the is not capitalized. Nancy Drew and the Secret of the Old Clock. So we have Nancy Drew, Secret, Old Clock. How to change a tire for dummies. How, change, tire, and dummies are all capitalized. And then our, oops, did I miss one? Maybe. I guess, abbreviations. Where is it? Abbreviations. It's not on there. So abbreviations should be on there with acronyms. Abbreviations for like Mr. and Mrs. should always start with a capital letter. Like doctor, DR, should start with a capital letter. Okay, for my students in my online class, I want you to just do the Aztec lesson using capital letters.